10KG-1420 Robot MIG Welding for New Energy Vehicle Battery Enclosures, boosting efficiency and quality. Peitian Robot's 10KG-1420 model utilizes MIG welding to weld aluminum alloy for new energy vehicle battery enclosures. MIG welding of aluminum alloy demands high skill, but our robotic solution reduces the need for highly paid welders, while boosting welding efficiency. By improving precision, our robot lowers defect rates, helping customers save costs and achieve high-quality production. Choose Peitian Robot for a smarter, more cost-effective welding solution.